Hey Moana, I want you to give me your best witch laugh. Okay. How was that? Whoa! Moana, something happened to you. When you were laughing like that, you turned into Elphaba. I feel just like I did a minute ago. Okay, can we try that again? Whoa, Moana, you did it again. Hey guys, welcome back to Nat and Essie. This is Nat, and if you want to learn how to make this awesome tutorial, turning your bestie Moana into the Wicked Witch of the West, Elphaba, in a few easy steps, just stick around and watch. For this tutorial, you'll need some scissors, some painter markers, paper, glue, and a stapler. That's it. We only need 5 items to make our Moana into the Wicked Witch of the West. So here's step 1 in the Moana transformation. We're going to pull all the hair out of her face. Now that all of her hair is out of her face, we're going to work on her transformation makeup. We're going to use our paint pens and paint her skin the color green to match Elvira from the movie Wicked. Let's place a little napkin down underneath so that we can keep our surface clean and pick the color we like. I really like the light green, and I think this green will be too dark, but we can add that for shading. I've never done this. I don't know how well this will work, but we can give it a try. Let's start painting her skin the color green. So far it looks really blotchy. I think we're going to have to go over this twice to make sure that all the green is all over her skin tone. We're going to be extra careful around her eyes and her eyebrows. You know what? This is working out way better than I expected to. When you put on the first coat, it's super blotchy, but you can go ahead and put a second coat on. It does dry super fast, so I think this is actually going to look really good. Let me show you what she looks like once I'm done painting on all the green. Check that out. You can't even see the skin tone underneath. You can still see it a little bit in her face, of course, but the arms are looking so much better. And I think I picked the right shade of green for this character. So here is our Moana transformation. So far, she's looking really good. I might do a little bit of touch-up down here on her neck. And of course her hands too, because on camera that looks really, really messy. So let's go ahead and add just a little bit of paint down here. And now we can go ahead and fix the features on her face. So I'm going to keep her brown eyes, but I'd like to make her lips a dark green color. And let's touch up her fingernails and give it some green nail polish. On this side and then also over here. Her toes also need a little bit of a manicure, so let's go ahead and add some green to the tip of her toenails. The necklace needs a little bit of green on the tip here. And then we're going to transition to a new color. We need to add some black, enhance those eyebrows, and make her look wonderful. So to give her some big, bushy eyebrows, I'm going to extend them just a little bit down. Make them a little bit more wicked by making it flare like hair. And extend it. There we go. We're also going to make this one a little bit bigger, where it flares down and then off to the side here. If you make a mistake like I did just there, You can wipe it real fast, or you can paint over it with your markers, because these markers are fantastic. Make that one real wicked. Extend it down just a hair and out to the side. The next step to make our Moana, the Wicked Witch of the Witch, is to, well, fix that outfit. To be a witch, that outfit is way too festive. It needs to be dark and black to be just like a witch. So once again, I'm going to take my marker and we're going to paint this entire dress the color black. Carefully, I'll lift her hands out of the way. We don't want to paint the hands a different color. And now we can get started. These markers are so versatile. They dry really fast, so you can get your projects done in a few hours and make your doll into your very own custom characters. Super shiny. And the bottom. The skirt I'll paint off of the character because this is fabric and I don't want the color to seep through. It looks so good, and it's so easy to make. All we did was use some markers to change the color of the dress, her lips, her eyebrows, and her skin tone. Otherwise, it's exactly the same character. It's amazing how easy you can transform things. But wait, every witch has a hat. We need to make Moana a new hat. To make her a hat, we're going to cut out a circle. This is the base for the hat. Make a snip in the middle and make a spot for her head to fit. You want all her hair to go through this hole so that it stays in place. So let's see if that was the right size. I'm going to take her hair, and that fits perfectly onto this. Oh my goodness, the hat is coming along, but we still need the top. To make the top, you're going to take your paper again and cut a piece off, just like this. Now we're going to slowly wrap it into a cylinder. This is kind of hard, so you might need some help, but we've got a little cylinder shape now, and we're going to go ahead and chop all the extra until it's a perfect cylinder shape. I also added a black staple in the back, which I'm going to paint black, and then I'm going to use my glue to kind of mend all these extra pieces together. Okay, check it out! We are done with our Moana transformation into the Wicked Witch of the West, Elphaba. This is what we started with, our normal character, and we ended up with this spooky green witch. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and want me to make Glinda next, don't forget to like this video, and wow, they look so good next to each other. We've got Moana and our Wicked Witch. She has a hat made out of paper. We put her hair back in a bun. We changed her eyebrows, her skin color, her dress color, and it was super simple. I can't wait to show you guys what we will create with her. Thanks for watching, Nat and Essie.